afternoon, children. How are you? I hope you all are very, very good. I am also good. Welcome to English class. Today I am going to teach uses of capitals and small letters. Okay, children? What is our subject name? English. What is our subject name? English. What is the spelling of English? English. English. You also read with me. English. English. U-S-E. Yes. Uses of O-F of capital. C-A-P-I T-A-L. Capital I-A-N-D. Capital I, small letters. S-M-A-L-L, small letters. L-E-T-T-E-R-S. Uses of capital and small letters. Do you know, children, already? You know what is the capital letters? What is the small letters? Do you know, children? This is A. This is a capital letter. Okay? This is small a. This is capital A. This is small a. Okay? And B. This is capital B. This is small b. Do you know, children, what is the difference in capital and small? Pronoun is the same. Okay? Writing is different. This is the capital letter. This is the small letter. This also A. This also A only. Okay? That we do not use capital C-A-P-I-T-A-L capital letters L-E-T-T-E-R-S letters often O-F-T-N often they have T-H-E-Y they have H-A-V-E have they have a limited L-I-M-I-T-E-D limited use U-S-E use only O-N ly only. WHEN, when. YOU, when you write. WRITE, write your name. YOUR, your name. NAME, name. It must. MUST, must. Begin. BEGIN, begin. BA, capital letter. PITAL, capital letter. Capital letter I. The rest of letter REST, rest. The rest of the letter. Letters. Must. Must be in a small letter. In a small, small letter. Okay, listen children all are. Uses of capital and small letters. Uses of capital letters and small letters. We do not use capital letters often. They have a limited use only. Okay? When you are writing any name on word, one sentence, if you are writing we don't write totally capital letters. Only when you start the one sentence, one word, you write the capital. Remaining letters totally you write only small letters only. For example, when you write your name, when you write your name, it must begin with a capital letter. Capital letter with a capital letter. And the rest of the letters must be in a small letters. Understood now? CORRECT, correct. WRONG, wrong. Okay. For example, Ramesh, RAMESH. REMESS. This is a name. What is this children? This is a Ramesh is a one name. This is one proper name. Okay? Every person has a one proper name. For example, my name is Sudharani. Yes, That is my proper name. What is my proper name? Sudharani. Yes, that is my name. Okay. For example, Ganta Vikshita is there. Ganta Vikshita, that is a proper noun. Okay. You have any name, any specific name you have, that is proper noun. Vani is there in your class. That is proper noun. Okay, children. Ramesh, R-A-M-E-S-H, Ramesh. This is the proper noun. Okay. So here, what right here? First letter is a capital letter. R is a capital letter. So we should write here R. R is a capital letter. R-A-M-E-S-H. This and this are the same spelling. Okay. R-A-M-E-S-H, Ramesh. R-A-M-E-S-H, Ramesh. Okay. These two names only same names. But this is wrong. This is right. Why? Ramesh is a proper noun. So here first letter is a capital. First letter R is a capital letter. Here writing R. This is a small letter. This is a small r. This is small r. You don't write like this. This is wrong. Only this is only correct. Why? Because Ramesh is a proper noun. So here I am writing R is a capital letter. We should write here R is a capital letter. For example, Vani. What is spelling of Vani? V-A-N-I, Vani. V-A-N-I, Vani. This is also Vani and this is also Vani. These two names same only. So this is the correct. Why? Because here V. Here writing and beginning letter what? V is a capital letter. I written in the board. This is a small letter. So this is wrong. This is correct. Okay? This is correct. This is wrong. Okay, children? Tom. T-O-N. Tom. T-O-N. Tom. Yes. Tom also proper noun. Yes. Here T. In the here writing, we should write here capital T. This is small t. So it is wrong. This is correct. Okay, children? Okay. And Gopal. What is spelling of Gopal? What is spelling of Gopal? G-O-P-L. Gopal. It is correct. Spelling is correct. Gopal. G-O-P-A-L. Gopal. This two spellings correct only. This is Gopal and Gopal. These two spellings same only. But this is the correct. Gopal is a proper noun. So we should write here G is a capital letter. G is a capital letter. This is capital G. This is small g. Yes. So this is the correct. This is the wrong. See children, when you write your name or other person's names also, it must beginning with a capital letter. Beginning with a capital letters. And the rest of the letters must be in a small letters. Okay. Rest of the letters means what? This is the beginning letter. This is the beginning letter means what? First letter is the beginning letter. Remaining these four letters are there. No, these four letters are rest of letters. Okay, now this is Only beginning letter. G is a beginning letter. Remaining four letters are there now. O, P, A, L. These four letters, rest of letters. This is the beginning letter. These four letters, rest of letters. So, for example, in your class, Manikant is there. Okay, Manikant ready. M-A-N-I. Money. K-A-N-T-H. Okay, in your class, Manikant is there. Okay, first I am right. M is a capital letter. We should write M is a capital letter. And remaining rest of the letters, how many are there? A, N, I, K, A, N, T, H. Remaining letters all rest of the letters. This M only capital letter. This is the beginning letter. Remaining letters all rest of the letters. Okay, now Manikant is a specific name. Okay, he have a specific name. For example, I am calling Manikant. Please come here. I am calling. Only here coming Manikant only. Remaining children not coming here. Okay. Why? Because he has a specific name. His name is Manikant. Okay. I am calling Manikant. So he only coming my here. Other persons are not coming here. Okay. For example, Raju is there. What is spelling of Raju? R-A-J-U. Raju. Okay. Raju is there. These two spellings same only. What is spelling of Raju? R-A-J-U. Raju. R-A-J-U. Raju. These two spellings correct only. Only here R is a capital letter. First letter is a beginning letter is a capital letter. Remaining rest of the letters are small letters. So here we should use here R is a capital. So this is the correct. This is the wrong. Yes, children? It is correct? Yes, correct. Okay. Please copy these words. Please copy these words. Only you write here, here to here. These words only you write. These names only you write, children. What is the correct? Wrong. Write some names only. Ramesh. This is the correct. Ramesh. This is the wrong. Only you write these three names only. Write on the C notes. 1, 2, 3. These three names you write. This totally don't write. What is spelling of correct? C-O-R-R-E-C-T. Correct. C-O-R-R-E-C-T. Correct. Wrong. W-R-O-N-G. Wrong. This is correct. This is wrong spelling. Correct. This is wrong spelling. Did you complete, children? This totally don't write, children. Only write this word, these names only. Ramesh, Vani, Tom. These three names will write. These three enough. What is your spelling of Ramesh? Ramesh. Vani, Vani. Vani. Tom, Tom. Okay. Once you listen, children, all are look at the board. Stop writing. Stop writing. Look at the board, all are. Sit down and look at the board. Afterwards, you write, children. Uses of capital and small letters. Uses of capital and small letters. Do you know, children, very well what is the capital letters, what is the small letters? Okay. We do not use capital letters often. They have a limited use only. They have a limited use. Limited only. For example, Ramesh name is there. In that only capital letters. We are using only one letter. Remaining rest of the letters all you written the small letters only. Understand now? Remaining letters all small letters only. Only R is the capital letters. Next. So here only limited means only one letter only. Remaining all small letters. Rest of the letters all small letters. Next. When you write your name, do you know, children, your name? For example, your name is Vichita. Okay, Vichita, your name is Vichita. You total spelling, first letter is a V is a capital letter. Okay, Vichita is a proper name. Vichita is a proper name. Okay, girl, boy, this is not a proper name. Yes, Vichita is a proper name. Harsha Sai, Punna Harsha Sai. Harsha Sai is a proper noun. Okay, Manikant is a proper noun. Sudharani is a proper noun. When you are write this name, my name or your name, when you are writing, must and should write the first letter capital. Remaining rest of the letters all write the small letters. Understood, children? Okay, thank you.